Hello guys, this is Sandesh from ArivuPro. Hope you're all safe. ArivuPro would like to help you during this pandemic time by offering CA Intermediate Accounting and few other courses at free of cost. There is no software or any other hidden charges. This is absolutely free. You can avail these classes by clicking on the link given in the description box or by visiting our website learn.arivupro.com. This is not a fast track or a crash course. This is a regular batch. The duration of the class is more than 100 hours, wherein all the questions from study material, RTPs and MTPs have been covered. So another highlight of our classes are, other than covering the questions from the ICI materials, we have also made summary charts for each topic of accounting and advanced accounting. I'm showing you some of the sample charts here. Okay. With the help of these charts, you'll be able to revise the entire syllabus of accounting as well as advanced accounting in under 2 hours. If you choose to buy these chart book, you can do so by visiting our website learn.arivupro.com. When you go to that website, you can select CA. Under CA, select CA Intermediate and select books. Once you go under the books option, you will be able to purchase the chart books. Okay. This free initiative of ours, we've been running it from the last 1 year. We would like to extend this a little further considering many states are still in lockdown. Make the best use of this offer. Refer it to your friends. Do get vaccinated at the earliest possible chance. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.